welcome back to my channel Admirable in the Art and Craft. So today I am back on my video. So today in my new video I will be showing you how to make mini kitty backpack. As you know that the Women's Day is around the corner, so I thought an idea to share you how to make cute backpacks so that you can gift it to someone and make your day beautiful. So let's get started with the procedure, but before starting don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit the bell icon placed in the corner for getting more and more notifications about my upcoming video. And please share with your friends, must and tell them to subscribe for more and more updates. So let's get started with the procedure. So for making the backpack, you are required here with two pieces of this shape from the top to bottom, like this, from the bottom in rectangular and from the top oval shape like this. And you are required here with the two pieces of this, and this is the template. And nextly you are required here with one brown color sheet, A4 size paper, and just fold into half like this and just mark a crease. Now take one of the template and just mark a size on the sheet like this. I hope so the template would be visible, and just cut it. So these are the required two pieces of the template, and just take a Fevicol or glue and just add it on the boundary, and just stick the brown one paper over that like this. Do similarly with the another. Just trim off the excess. So yeah, it is done. Let's move further. For the next process, you are required here with one long sheet of glitter of pink only, and this one zipper or chain like this. So let's stick it and mark the measurement on the sheet according to your zipper, and just cut the excess from the center. So this will be the shape and the measurement of the chain. So let's stick it. So just heat your glue gun and just add it on the edges of the sheet like this. Add glue on the both sides and just stick the chain in the center, and just press it hardly to remove crumble and stick it properly. So yes, this will be the proper execution of chain like this, and just cut the excess from the bottom like this. So take back this flap of the bag and just apply the glue gun on the edges and just stick the chain. And just stick the chain on the edges of the flap like this, and just stick it properly. Might end up closing. And just take your another flap and stick over the chain similarly, and just stick some more piece at the bottom similarly with the glue gun, and just secure the edges properly with the glue gun, or you can use Fevikwik in spite not having the glue gun. And similarly stick one piece at the bottom using glue gun. of any color for the bottom, like this. So your outer cover of the bag is ready. See, and open the zip mite slowly, like this. See how cool idea it is. So let's decorate it. So now take here a strip of orange color for the outer bag and just take your pencil and ruler and just mark 5.5 centimeter at every gaps and divide it into 3 parts. Just tear the flaps, cut it and just join it like this in the rectangular shape, and only the 3, not the upside one, like this. Now take here 2 square pieces of orange color and 1 pink color. So let's move further and just stick the orange one in the center of the bag. Now using your hot glue gun, stick this pink one over the flaps like this. Now just stick this triangular piece on this like this and just stick this over the flap. So the sticking part is done. See, now just take here 1 small piece of velcro, this, and just stick it using hot glue gun on this piece and just remove the another liner and just stick it using hot glue gun on the back part like this. Now take here 1 small kitty face, as I have told you in the beginning that we are gonna make here a kitty bag. So just stick this kitty face in the center like this. Now take here 1 lining strip for the hanging of the bag and stick on the top, leaving the chain like this, and hang 2 strips at the back for the hanging and the bag look like this. Now here I have created a pair of bow at the back dark pink and on the top orange, and in the center I have placed 1 beautiful pearl and I am just attaching it on my bag like this on the center, and I have stick 1 pearl in the kitty's bow at the center like this. So let's make a cute keyring for the bag. So here I have inserted 1 cute blue color pom-pom and 2 white pearl, and on the top I am adding this silver chain or ball chain for the hanging using glue gun. So I have attached here the keyring using the gold chain or ball chain, whatever you use, like this. So this is done, and I have attached 1 small heart keyring on the chain zip. So I hope you all guys like the video. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and must share this video with your friends and must try the tutorial, and I'll be showing you the openly. So you can keep the things like this inside the bag, and it is done. So I hope you all guys like this. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We will meet soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye, and make this for your friends, relatives, and make your day special. Thank you.